Hi everyone. Today's our topic is internal structure of heart. So in this video I will explain about this topic in clear manner. So by which you can understand easily. Generally the heart shape is pear fruit shape and the size of the heart is our fist size. Then the location of our heart is present between the lungs, slightly left side of the our chest. Then the weight of the our heart is generally 310 grams. So whenever we see the internal structure of a human heart, we will find that there are four chambers, four valves, two apertures, nothing but holes, and five major blood vessels are present in the internal structure of heart. Don't skip this video, watch it till the end, then only you can understand clearly. Now let us know about first four chambers of our heart. You can see that in the diagram also. First, there are two upper chambers are called auricles. They are also called as atria. Atria is plural, atrium is singular. The two chambers of our heart are right auricle and left auricle, or the right atrium and left atrium. These two you can see in the video. The first chamber, that is right atrium, it receives deoxygenated blood from all body parts except from lungs. Then left atrium, it receives oxygenated blood from lungs. Right and left atriums are separated by a muscular wall called septum. Nothing but its name is interauricular septum. Next, we will go to remaining two chambers. Lower two chambers of our heart are called ventricles. Right ventricle and left ventricle. You can see them on the screen also. Right ventricle receives deoxygenated blood from right auricle. In the same way, left ventricle receives oxygenated blood from left auricle. Right ventricle is bigger than left ventricle. You can see that clearly in the diagram also. These two chambers are separated by a muscular wall called interventricular septum. Next, apertures, nothing but holes. There are two kinds of apertures are there here. Number one, that is right auriculoventricular apertures. This is a hole-like structure present between right atrium and right ventricle. Through this aperture, blood flows from right atrium to right ventricle. At this aperture, there is a valve called tricuspid valve. This valve allows blood flow from right atrium to right ventricle only. It prevents the backflow. You can see this on the screen also. Next, second aperture is left auriculoventricular aperture. This is a hole-like structure present between left atrium and left ventricle. Through this aperture, blood flows from left atrium to left ventricle only. At this place, there is a valve called bicuspid valve, also called as mitral valve. It allows blood flow from left atrium to left ventricle only. Next, let us know about important blood vessels which are connected to our heart. The first one is aorta, also called as systemic aorta. This aorta, it arises from a left ventricle. It is the biggest artery in our body, and also it carries oxygenated blood to all body parts. Next, second blood vessel connected to heart is superior vena cava. It is also called as precaval vein. This precaval vein, it collects deoxygenated blood from upper body parts like head and neck. It opens into right atrium. Next, third one is inferior vena cava. It is also called as postcaval vein. It collects deoxygenated blood from lower body parts like hands and legs. It is also opens into right atrium. Next, pulmonary vein. This blood vessel, it arises from the lungs, or it starts from the lungs. It is the only vein which brings oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium. You can see that in the picture also. Next, fifth one, pulmonary artery. This blood vessel arises from right ventricle. It is the only artery which carry deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to lungs. Friends, do you want to learn how to draw human heart easily? Go through the description box in which I have given the link. Next, let us know about valves. The function of the valves is they allow blood flow in one direction only. Means they prevent the reverse flow of blood. The first valve is tricuspid valve. It is present between right atrium and right ventricle. This valve, it allows blood flow from right atrium to right ventricle only. You can see that on the screen also. Second valve, bicuspid valve or mitral valve. It is present between left atrium and left ventricle. This valve, it allows blood flow from the left atrium to left ventricle only. Third valve is pulmonary valve. It is present between right ventricle and pulmonary artery. This valve allows blood flow from right ventricle to pulmonary artery only. You can see that in the diagram also. Next, last one, aortic valves or systemic valves. They are present between left ventricle to aorta. This valve, it allows blood flow from the left ventricle to aorta only. Hope you understood the today's topic. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching my video.